In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add face recognition in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. Face recognition is controlled through attendance settings, so we will head straight to the admin area where punch settings are managed. First, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps configuration options for different modules, including leave, attendance, and employee-related preferences. Once you are in Settings, find the section labeled Leave and Attendance. Under that section, select Attendance. Opening Attendance will take you to the area where rules and options for tracking time are configured, including how employees punch in and punch out. Next, use the left sidebar and click Attendance Settings. This is an important area because it contains the controls that affect how attendance works across your organization. If you manage multiple locations or policies, this is typically where those options are organized. Now at the top menu within Attendance Settings, click Punch In and Punch Out. This section focuses specifically on the methods and requirements for recording attendance. It is also where you can enable features that add an extra layer of verification during punching. Here, look for the facial recognition option. Toggle the facial recognition switch to on. When this is enabled, users may be prompted to verify their identity using facial recognition when punching in or punching out, depending on how your organization applies the setting. For best results, remind employees to use good lighting and position their face clearly in the camera frame when they punch, since poor lighting can affect recognition accuracy. After turning the switch on, you will need to select the applicability. Applicability controls who this setting applies to, such as specific groups, locations, or the broader organization, depending on the options available in your account. Choose the appropriate applicability for your policy so the correct employees are covered. Finally, click Submit to save your changes. Always submit after updates in settings, otherwise the change may not take effect. Once submitted, facial recognition is enabled based on the applicability you selected, and your punch-in and punch-out process will follow the new requirement. And that is all there is to it.